Off-World Trading Company. We're going to play another game of the campaign rebounds. Look, I'm sorry, I'm never going to get your name right. If you want it, just give me a pronunciation with the little tildes and all the stuff, and I'll get it right. Till then, I'm sorry. He's done a lot of changes to the mod, and not only that, but there's also been this super secret next version thing that's going on, which has this super weird thing called, like, autosell. That it's like, it's mind-blowing to me, and I can't get my hand around it. So, two purposes to this campaign. One, to see what he's done with this mod, and two, see if I can get myself to not mash the spacebar for you guys. So, we're going to be playing as Georgie. I took a look at all the things, and this is interesting to me because it's sort of like the idea is to not win, but to just make money instead. So, we're going to go with that. Let's see what we got here. We have Unlock Expansive, we have Core Samples, and we have Faster Upgrades. Let's see here. I'm not quite sure what we really want to do here. Like expansive, okay, that's fine. I have no steel mills. It's not really what I want to be doing. Core samples, that seems kind of bad. I guess we go with faster upgrades. Resource presence rare. Yeah, okay, we'll be going. I guess we'll go in with this one. Let's see. Now we can permanently buy someone. Now it's like it's $100,000 or it's $600,000. I think this is. I don't know if this is a mod change or the version change or what, but that's really expensive to permanently hire. Like that's. It makes it really hard to justify permanently hiring someone, but I think it's like. It's so close. It's so close. Because, I mean, like, I could have more right now if I just spent my money. But could I then use that to then just have more money later? And you know what? The answer might actually be yes. As much as I don't like that, just from a I like to buy things permanently sort of thing. I could permanently buy a goon squad. That's not that bad. Yeah. Actually, let's permanently hire the goon squad. And then like take a water pump and a farm and a glass furnace. Because I think that gives us a nice, easy. See, there's no ice, so those will be useless. It gives us a nice, easy. You know, we have some bank, so we're not using everything. We get our permanently hired thing, which is just like you just have to permanently hire someone. And we get a goon squad, which is gonna be really nice because there's absolutely nothing here that could attack me. Whatever, we're going. It's fine. It'll be useful later. It'll be useful later. We're just gonna. It'll be useful later. It's like $20,000 for a goon squad. No, it's $20,000 for 8 goon squads. That's bank, right? Because you're gonna pay $50,000 for one goon squad in later missions, so $20,000 for one permanently? Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, let's see what we got here. We have Scavenger.
Medium levels of aluminum found. High levels of aluminum found.
That's pretty nice.
High levels of carbon found.
I'd like to see
a geothermal vent.
A little bit better carbon than that, if at all possible. And it is craters, right? So
high levels of iron founded.
Okay, good for
High
you.
levels of water found.
There's some water.
Medium levels of silicon found.
Is there seriously, like, not, like... Okay, the carbon situation is just horrible. Okay, so we're going to... I think we found near this water. And then we quarry.
Scientific colony found.
Don't worry, we'll have this outpost off the ground in no time.
Yeah, get at aluminum deposit. buy up the aluminum that we need, so we're not waiting for it too horribly. Let's see. Let's actually hold on to. Let's see. What are you eating? You're eating electronics. It'd be best if we actually. Well, no. We'll hog the water. We'll hog water. Hog water for the moment. And then. You did what? Oh, you're that guy. Oh, this is the guy I played last time, I guess. 2 upgrade labs. Okay, that's fine. We're okay with this. And we're hogging water, and we're hoping we can upgrade sometime soon. We're very, very close.
Expansive colony expanded.
Yes, good job. Stop expanding. Stop using your upgrade lab. I'm not okay with that.
The black market is
I
online.
don't like it. And there's no mutinies available either. Are you serious? Okay, whatever. It's fine. I'm okay. Everything's okay. Like, I didn't want to. That's annoying too. That's annoying too. This map is a little bit resource sparse. You know? Maybe just a little bit. Let's go with... Let's get some nice electronics. That's kind of nice. Is there any particular silicon tiles that we'd like to claim? Yeah, let's go ahead and just claim that silicon tile. And, let's apparently save our good. We'll save our good. Okay. So, what's the plan here? Well, we could buy another claim. That's fine. What we really want to do is, like, get rid of this and get down some solar panels on it. Because, you're boosting your... Can't do anything about that, I suppose. Wait, should we green the solar panel? It's the thing that's making us most money right now. Which makes it the target. Especially if I, like, go with a second solar panel here, which I think I want to. It's expensive, though, and there's also this whole upgrading thing, which is sometimes important. We're going to be upgrading really slowly here. Like, the slowness of the upgrades are going to be really slow. And people are using a lot of power. Upgrade labs, a lot of power. Patent lab, if he's using it, a lot of power. So, we're just gonna sit back, relax, be annoyed about people taking our claims. Get the aluminum.
The black market is online.
4,000.
A new claim is available for
Yes.
bidding will begin at
1,000. 10,000. 12,000.
Absolutely want this.
14,000. 20,000. 24,000.
Better get it for this. I'm a little annoyed if I don't.
so.
Got it. Because it's another silicon mine, which is nice. What? Go away. Alright, now we got our second solar panel. Excellent day. And now our silicon production should refund basically our solar panels to the point that we can upgrade. That'll be nice. Our aluminum production is just so negligible. That just is really annoying. I'll be completely honest. Like, what also annoys me is how much more aluminum you're producing than I am. Aluminum price is actually dropping right now, which makes sense because no one's upgrading. Someone got down some wind turbines or something. Why'd that price spike? I don't understand. Okay. Let's buy our glass. There we go. Now we just need to wait for the aluminums. Aluminums. Which we'll get at some point. Ah, yep. See, Sweet wind turbines. Why are you building all your buildings around me? It's slightly awkward. Whatever. Okay, we are almost there. Almost there. Almost there. We just maybe if get some. Okay, there we go. Okay, I want to clean this tile to sort of block off our scientist friend here. And then glass production is looking good. And farms are looking really good though. And we have these electronics for. And we have the farm upgrade dude, so yeah, farms are the best. So yeah, we'll just farm triangle here. That's fine. That looks good. I'm okay with this. That should get us our money incomes starting off very nicely. Let's actually goon one of these, so that pay attention. There's no EMPs. There's no power surges. You're just wasting money for the sake of wasting money. Okay. Let's see. You're burning water, so let's like hog water. Like this water price is spiking real fast.
The black market is online.
No one else is producing it at all. They changed the. Look at the different farm thing. It's different because it's scientific.
Expanded.
They have different science. Look at this. They're different. They're different. That's so weird. Do you have different steel mills?
So,
I can't. What? Why are you like all shadowy dark, dude? That's kind of cool and kind of evil and kind of creepy. And yet you're doing it too. I'm curious if they're going to, like, suddenly I have a very serious urge to want to see all the new scientific buildings. Okay, let's see here. We can continue to claim. That sounds good. Let's just waste on water pump for now. That's okay. We need to buy up our glass because we're almost there to our upgrade, which is actually kind of nice. Sell a bit more food. There we go. And I think we get down. There's a lot of reactors down. Just looks like there's a lot of reactors down. So maybe we go into glass production since we did get some glass. And let's actually check the numbers. Yeah, the glass production would be better and uses less power. So my gut is correct again. It's nice. Okay. What's not so nice is the quantity of carbon that's required to. It's down. Very, very expensive carbon right now.
The black market is online.
Okay, there we go. Now put our silicons to negatives, I think. Maybe it won't. Stop buying things. It's not okay. Let's see here.
Expansive colony expanded.
Consuming power. You know what? Let's get down to the solar panel. And so that we can think about our offices here, which needs glass, which is fine. We're making glass. So, kind of like, you know, I'm definitely not feeling the need right now to be doing the upgrading things. We're making a lot of money. Getting to level 5 is like bonkos
The
expensive.
black market
These
is
are
online.
relatively cheap, comparatively, and I would love, like, you just have, like, no water production there. Like, I should just... Oh, look, it's a different glass furnace. It's a glass furnace that's different. Little glassy furnace person. Hey, power's making me pretty good money right now. So much good money that I think I want another one.
I'm not sure how you can buy a magnetic storm, but there's one up for auction now.
The power price high. Let's see. What are you all doing as far as power concerns? Is there anything? You have one wind turbine. Good job. You have geothermal.
16.
I don't want this. I don't need this. I'm not shipping anything with carbon.
24.
Someone is shipping, you know, reactors and farms, except they probably have, like, transportation.
8,000.
No, they actually don't. It's a little expensive there, bro. Looks like the scientific... no. No, you're gonna get a carbon surplus here shortly. That's gonna be nice. Let's see. I think we still... yeah, right on me. That's fine. I'm not shipping anything
The
except
black market
aluminum
is online.
and useless carbon. Okay. Yeah, we're going to continue to just make money. I think that seems wise. I like making money. Offices for our power, which is just fantastic. It's fantastic. Like, the fantastic is fantastic. Buying things. Can't hog the water too much. They might, you know, actually get some water pumps down in this place. There's your teleportation. Good for you. Let's see. How are y'all doing for power? You still have 1 second. I wish I could do something to turn that down, but I really can't. And we're in the D-deck. Whee! We're making so much money. So much monies. Okay, except I'm not supposed to be trying to win. I'm supposed to be trying to get off-world markets up, right? I'm smart. It's really hard to do that with this kind of really pathetic carbon situation, though. So there's that. Let's sell down some water. Ice condenser out in the middle of nowhere. Okay, fine. I can actually afford an off-world market right now. The off-world market is cheaper than the upgrade. Mostly because of aluminum. That aluminum is really expensive. Do I go for an off-world market? What are the off-world market prices? Food's not bad, I guess. Let's scrap one of these glass furnaces, because we have, like, one too many, honestly, right now. Go ahead and get that down.
New land is available for auction.
And you know what I'm not using? I'm not using this clever auto-sell function, which is supposed to be, let's see.
Auction unclaimed.
I just
Bidding closed.
so shift control for auto-sell? No.
305.
Looks like I can auto-sell these things, right? Yeah, sure. Okay. And, huh. Well, that's nice. Just cute little monies that say exactly how much I'm making. What's interesting is that my quantity is going down. No, I guess it does make a little bit of sense. And the quantity would be going down because some of it's still being used in my farms. What's interesting is that if I buy that up, it doesn't seem to change. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that upgrade button, as ridiculously expensive as it is, because I would like to get down some of our other buildings here. So I'm actually going to go ahead. Another water pump. Our own reactors. And we get that third glass furnace back down. It's making money. It's not making money. Alright, launch food into space. Actually, given that we're launching food into space, let's get another farm down. And our debt is just insane. Whoa! That's interesting. I can auto-pay my debt. Now, oh, I'm very interested. I'm very curious. Is there actually apparently losing money? Because they're just going to debt anyway, actually. I'm very interested in if auto-pay debt is on, is it smart enough to queue up the next launch before it pays everything to debt? I don't know. We're gonna find out right now.
Off-world shipment launched.
It is!
Look at
Okay,
all the
that's
money.
good. Okay, that's good. I'm glad. Why are my water pumps just like my most valuable buildings, like by light years? I don't quite understand.
Land is available.
That'd be nice. Carbon's a little expensive
1,000.
right now. You're gonna let me have it for 14,000?
Sold.
Okay. No complaints from me. Like $25 for like. Okay, whatever. You know, whatever. Maybe they're saying, well, it's near the end of day 6, and it's not gonna really do much. This is really awkward. Like, I'm not doing anything because everything's on auto. It's interesting. And I'm not, you know, eating your ears off with the spacebar. And I can just be like, well, these are bad, these are okay. Steel must be done. Can't turn those on. Well, let's see here.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the
Well, the
money.
goal is to make money, and we have 11, so we're going to win and make money, so that seems great. Glass furnaces are surplusing. We're going to watch that carefully. Farms are making good money. Water is making good money. Everything's happy. Happy dandy fun.
Scientific
Pretty sure
colony
that
expanded.
doing anything more than just staying ahead at this point is not going to be particularly valuable. We'll just... Woohoo! That was nice. I really can't wait to like go to the next mission and see just how much this person is going to start in debt in the next mission. Or I mean, they don't. I mean, they just lose it from the profits here, right? So we're just going to keep launching food into space, and we're going to be continually happy with.
Off-world shipment launched.
There it goes.
Look at all the money.
Can we cycle these into something useful? Actually, like the answer is kind of like no. Maybe electronics. You can try it. They claim to be making money. Okay, you're actually tied, so we're going to go ahead and break that tie. Making money off power. Just something like that. That should hopefully just keep us, and auto sell that thing. So shift controls. No. Like it used to be alt last build that I checked, and it's kind of really weird. Like okay, so I'm gonna have to relearn that or rebind it, I suppose, or retake a look at our bindings and see what's going on there. But,
Off-world shipment
Really?
launched.
okay,
Look at all the money.
whatever. Empty. Needs more housing modules. I guess that means it's not consuming anything? I'm really not totally sure. Are you happy now? No. Stop buying tool shops. We need housings. We don't want to buy housing because housings are expensive. Okay, well, we're gonna hopefully get our launch off here before the day ends. I don't think we're gonna get our launch off before the day ends. I don't think it's gonna happen. But I'm very happy with our choice of buying up the things that we bought up, because, frankly, if we didn't, we wouldn't be making nearly as much money as we are right now. Like, we're not, like, we're making great money. Okay, come on. No, it didn't get the launch. Like, it was like 90,000. Wait. Buy a nose? What do you mean buy a nose? Okay, now we have faster upgrades, which means we should consider investing in an upgrade lab. Let's return to the campaign and see what we got here. The campaign's 3 rounds, yes, okay. Week 1, we did awesome. We did awesome. Like, the awesomeness was awesome. So, we started with that much, so... yeah. Okay, so we basically made back all our money that we spent on all the things. And... a little bit more. Okay. Mutiny? For all those upgrade labs. You know it. Well, that's going to end this episode. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're interested in this campaign as I am. I know it's like, you know, the idea is that with this guy is that you don't have to win, you just have to make a lot of money. But we're doing actually really good. I did, like, set it to, yeah. Okay, yes. It is executive because see the on the sticker it's like debt times 6. So this poor guy is actually in debt still. So he's our upgrade guy. He's the guy that we played, and yeah, that's the poor guy. Yeah, he's the only one in debt at this point, and we're at the top, which is a very strange and different sort of sensation because last time we were just scraping the bottom the entire way until we lost and then we won or something. But okay, look, we're done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.